Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win the 2048 game. Start by picking a corner, like the top left, and commit to it. Your largest tile should always reside there. This strategy helps you manage the board more effectively. Avoid moving your highest tile out of this corner at all costs. This foundational step is crucial for building larger numbers and preventing the board from filling up too quickly. It provides a stable anchor for your game. Once your highest tile is in a corner, focus on filling the adjacent row or column. Imagine a snake of tiles, with values decreasing as they move away from your corner tile. This systematic approach allows for predictable merges, making it easier to combine tiles and create higher values. It is about creating a clear path for your merges and maintaining board control. Always think 1 or 2 steps ahead. Prioritize moves that merge tiles and open up new spaces, especially near your high-value corner. Be careful not to swipe in directions that might separate your largest tiles or block your chosen corner. A common trap is making impulsive moves that fill the board without a clear merging strategy. Patience and foresight are key to success in this game. Maintaining an organized board is vital. Try to keep the lower rows or columns clear to allow for new tiles to appear without immediately blocking merges. Strategic use of 2 directions, like down and right, can help maintain your snake structure. The ultimate goal is to reach the 2048 tile and continue to build even higher values, aiming for 4096 or even 8192.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.